As indicated by the furthest down the line long-haul figure, Stellar cost will hit $0.2 toward the finish of 2027 and afterward $0.3 toward the finish of 2031. Stellar will ascend to $0.4 inside the time of 2034. Stellar value expectation 2024-2025. Stellar cost began in 2024 at $0.22 in 92. Today, Stellar exchanged at $0.124 so the cost expanded by 9% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Stellar cost toward the finish of 2024 is $117 and the year-to-year change plus 32%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 21%. In 2024, we hope to see $18 per 1 Stellar. In the main portion of 2025, the Stellar cost will move to $18. In the final part, the cost would add $1 and close the year at $19, which is plus 35% to the ongoing cost. Stellar forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Stellar cost would move from $19 to $36, which is up 89%. Stellar will begin 2026 at $19, then, at that point, take off to $20 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $23. That implies plus 64% from today. Stellar forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Stellar cost would ascend from $36 to $53, which is plus 47%. Stellar will begin 2031 at $36, then, at that point, take off to $38 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $40. It is about plus 185% from today. The 3152s into 4. Stellar value expectation 2024-2025. Stellar cost began in 2024 at $0.112 in 92. Today, Stellar exchanged at $23 and 44, so the cost expanded by 4% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Stellar cost toward the finish of 2024 is $15 and the year-to-year change plus 16%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 12%. In 2024, we hope to see $16 per 1 Stellar. In the principal half of 2025, the Stellar cost will move to $16. In the last part, the cost would add $1 and close the year at $17, which is plus 26% to the ongoing cost. Stellar expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Stellar cost would move from $17 to $31, which is up 82%. Stellar will begin 2026 at $17, then take off to $20 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $21. That implies plus 56% from today. Stellar forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Stellar cost would ascend from $31 to $46, which is plus 48%. Stellar will begin 2031 at $31, then, at that point, take off to $33 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $32. It is about plus 138% from today. It's 3s are 1 2s under 4. Stellar value forecast 2024-2025. Stellar cost began in 2024 at $22 in 92. Today, Stellar exchanged at $22 and 44, so the cost diminished by 4% from the very outset of the year. The determined Stellar cost toward the finish of 2024 is $12 and the year-to-year change 7%. The tumble from today to year-end, 4%. In 2024, we hope to see $13 per 1 Stellar. In the primary portion of 2025, the Stellar cost will move to $13. In the last part, the cost would add $1 and close the year at $14, which is plus 13% to the ongoing cost. Stellar expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Stellar cost would move from $14 to $27, which is up 93%. Stellar will begin 2026 at $14, then, at that point, take off to $17 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $18. That implies plus 45% from today. Stellar forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Stellar cost would ascend from $27 to $35, which is plus 30%. Stellar will begin 2031 at $27, then take off to $29 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $28. It is about plus 125% from today. 152s into 4. Stellar Value Forecast 2024-2025. Stellar Cost began in 2024 at $1.9292. Today, Stellar exchanged at $1.52, so the cost diminished by 11% from the very start of the year. The guide Stellar cost toward the finish of 2024 is $13 and the year-to-year change plus 1%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 13%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.12 per 1 Stellar. In the primary portion of 2025, the Stellar cost will move to $14. In the final part, the cost would add $1 and close the year at $15, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. Stellar Forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Stellar cost would move from $15 to $32, which is up 113%. Stellar will begin 2026 at $15, then take off to $18 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $20. That implies plus 74% from today. Stellar Forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Stellar cost would ascend from $32 to $50, which is plus 56%. Stellar will begin 2031 at $32, then, at that point, take off to $34 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $36. It is about plus 212% from today. 2021-2024. Stellar Value Forecast 2024-2025. Stellar cost began in 2024 at $1.92. Today, Stellar exchanged at $8.90, so the cost diminished by 16% from the very outset of the year. The determined Stellar cost toward the finish of 2024 is $12 and the year-to-year change 7%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 10%. In 2024, we hope to see $11 per 1 Stellar. In the primary portion of 2025, the Stellar cost will move to $13. In the last part, the cost would add $0 and close the year at $13, which is plus 19% to the ongoing cost. Stellar Forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Stellar cost would move from $13 to $27, which is up 108%. Stellar will begin 2026 at $13, then take off to $15 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $16. That implies plus 47% from today. Stellar Forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Stellar cost would ascend from $27 to $45, which is plus 67%. Stellar will begin 2031 at $27, then, at that point, take off to $29 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031